Hello YouTube. Today we're going to talk about camp grills. Now, I had previously gotten a grill from Expedition Research. Actually, it came as a set, a little small one and a bigger one that was stainless steel. And as you can see, I've used the stainless, the big one quite a bit. It's already well blackened. Great little grill. You know, it's nice and flat, portable, fits in the rucksack, but it is a little bit heavy. So I've been looking for an equivalent of this that's made in titanium. Well, lo and behold, somebody finally made one. And this little grill, not only is it bigger, but it weighs half as much as both of these combined. And it's very lightweight and just as strong. And basic same design, crisscross. Great little grill. So combine this with a Cuban sack, and you've got a nice little titanium grill for ultralight backpacking. And I was so glad to get this. Now the case that it comes with is made out of neoprene, and it's quite heavy. So you probably don't want to use the case that it came with, because this thing weighs almost as much as the grill. So it's kind of silly that they included this particular one. It's a nice little sack. It's probably waterproof because of the neoprene material. It's like the scuba material, like they make scuba suits out of. Whereas the other one, they came with a nice light sack and so forth. Now I would use this one, but because it's just sil nylon, but it's not big enough to fit the grill. So I'll keep that with this one, and I'll probably end up replacing this. But you can find one of these. Just search for titanium grill on Amazon, and you'll come across this. I think it's called the Aries titanium grill, and it's a good value. I forget what we paid for it. Do you remember, Mike? Okay, yeah.
40, 50.
Yeah, it's like 40, 50 bucks, and which is almost the same price as what these things were going for, if I remember right. But it's a good deal, and nice and light, and I'm sure that based on the material it's made of compared to this, 3 times as strong, half the weight. So it's probably going to be just as good, and it's built well. The welds seem really good and firm. Welding titanium is really difficult to do, and usually the welds stay once they're done. But anyway, highly recommend this, and if you come across one, or if you're looking for it, similar item, you can pick them up on Amazon. Anyway, thank you very much, and hopefully this was of use to you.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.